and NIMAC number 600-137.
That's Oscar Hernandez according to bear.org.
Okay, the CM number, that's a criminal mischief, 2,500 to 30,000.
And it was today's doc. I don't even have an
Yes.
appointment. Am I listed on that? I chatted with
Norma, could you check with that? I'm going to send Joanne, I'll send you to a breakout room, number 7. And
Thank you.
Coordinator will meet you there.
Thanks. Have a nice day, Your Honor.
All right, you too. Thank you. Thomas Hilly.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I need to go into a breakout room, please.
Who is your client?
Mr. Landry. He's in jail.
And what is the charge?
It may be family violence because he beat up the wife's new boyfriend and the pregnant
All right,
girlfriend.
I'll send you to breakout room number 8.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Our prosecutor will meet you there.
Thank you.
All right, Jonathan Perez.
Judge, I didn't get a link to go to the
Right here,
breakout.
Judge.
Norma, you're listed as a co-host. You're not able to move around?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 7. All right, Jonathan Perez, I'm gonna need to see you in a breakout room.
You got it,
I can
Judge.
see you in breakout room number 9.
Okay.
Thank you, I'll send you there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And David Martin, if I could see you in 9, please. And Marcus Sanders, if I could see you in 9. Everyone, I will be right back. Just give me a moment. State, how do you feel about a 30-day reset?
Is there anyone? Can anyone answer?
It was Jordan.
I feel great.
Here's what Jordan.
Judge. I don't think we'd have an objection to it.
All right, Norma, are you back here in the main room?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, on Mr. Tyreek Ellington,
Yes, ma'am.
set this for a contested hearing in 30 days. And so, Mr. White, something will be happening to this case within 30 days. Either it's going to be a contested hearing or a plea of true or whatever, but it will be resolved in 30 days.
Okay, Judge, and I probably need to let him know what's going on. So once we have the reset, can we have another breakout room so I can let him know what this entails?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Norma, what date are we coming back for contested?
March 31st.
All right, March 31st.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Just one moment. All right, and your client will need to appear in person. If whatever you're working out with the state has not been worked out, he needs to appear in court in person.
Okay.
And of course, if you worked out something before then just let the court know.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Ellington, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 4. Your
Okay,
attorney will meet you there, and then you will be excused.
all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Everyone, just give me a moment, please. Does anybody see what page Mr. Ellington is on?
Page 27.
All right, thank you.
What's up? What's up, bro?
Okay.
What's up?
You know, is Jordan here?
Jordan's here and Chris.
All right, anyone else back from the breakout room?
Yeah, I am, Judge.
Yes.
And I need to talk to my client once again, David Thatcher. We were in breakout 2. I don't know if he's still there.
Mr. Thatcher is still in breakout room number 2. I'll send you to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And everyone, just give me one moment to check my email for any paperwork. All right. David Woodard, you're back.
Judge, me and Rebecca are kind of having technical difficulties of me getting the PSI. She has tried to email it to me, but I have not received it yet.
Let me see if maybe I can do it. Who is your client?
It's on Jacob Brown.
Okay, I don't have that PSI yet either. So just give us a moment. All right, Kenneth Baker.
Yes, Judge, I'm back from conferring with the state. I've got an offer. I was just wondering if the court can tell if my client is in the waiting room yet.
Is there Juan Zapata here? Juan Zapata? All right, if you want to return back at 10:30, I give everyone till 10:30 to show.
Certainly, Judge. I've got contacted with him. I'll get him here somehow. Thanks.
All right, thank you. Justin Fox?
Yes, Judge, I'm back from the breakout room. We weren't able to come to an agreement. So I guess we might have to come before you on the issue of recalling the warrant and setting a bond.
All right, so here's the thing. With regards to that, I require a person to appear before me before I will set a bond or recall a warrant. And the fact that you say he's in Mexico,
Yes, Your Honor.
yeah, that's a problem. The fact that he's in Mexico and not here.
Yes, Judge. It can possibly be arranged that he can appear via Zoom sometime later this week.
I mean, but he's still outside our jurisdiction. That's the problem.
Yes, Your Honor. The thing here is that he is trying to come back and resolve this case. You know, if he could come back, of course, but he would be waiting probably around 30 days in another county in their jail, incurring expenses for that county and then having to be transferred. So it might be 40 odd days before we're able to resolve an MTR that might be able to get resolved if a warrant was temporarily lifted and then he could come in, we can resolve.
Okay, here's my question. Why is he in Mexico and not in the United States?
He was working over there, Your Honor, and it is my understanding that when he realized that he had the warrant, I guess he was scared of returning and being stuck out of county was one issue. And then I guess the issue of the MTR. He's been over there for almost a year, I believe now. So he's wanting to come back and face the issues that are before him.
Just for your information, Judge, the warrant was issued in October and he has yet to present himself, and his MTR is for a new number 1.
Well, I will tell you this. Must I set a bond? Yes, because it's a deferred adjudication, but he needs to appear. I mean, that's where we are. He needs to appear. And I'm sorry that his life is going to be slightly complicated because he decided to go to Mexico. But that's where we are.
Will a Zoom appearance suffice, Your Honor?
I mean, these are things I will consider, but he's not before me.
Yes, Your Honor. Then I guess I would ask if maybe I can be recalled for maybe Friday, and I can have him appear via Zoom, or
All right,
any other day that the court.
All right, talk to the coordinator will send an email to you and present whatever evidence you need presented to explain why he's in Mexico without permission. I don't know if he was given permission by probation to go to Mexico.
Yeah, I don't think he was, Your Honor. And just to correct anything that was said before, so this MTR is from August of 2019. So I know Alex had said it was last year, but I think it was the year before. So It's been about a year that he's been out of the country.
All right, yeah, those are issues. All right, thank you, Justin.
We'll take care of it, Judge.
All right. All right, Wendy, you're back?
Yes, I sent a chat to the clerk, Robert, to see if he can allow the deputy to share the screen so I can go over the paperwork for my client because he's having a hard time following along.
All right, it does show that the share is on
Okay.
my end. So just give us a moment. Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. All right, anyone else back from the breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor, I have conferred with the state, and I need more time, Your Honor, for the state to get more medical records, Your Honor. It's the first setting, and we don't know the extent of the injuries of the second victim, Your Honor.
State?
It was family violence.
All right, state.
Yeah, Judge, sorry. I'm trying to find an office to use right now because I got kicked out of the one I was using.
Breakout room then to talk to a prosecutor or my client. I'll talk to either one of them.
All right, well, just one moment. Let's, let me see here. Okay, I'm gonna send you, Thomas, I'll send you to breakout room number 5. And if a prosecutor could speak with Mr. Beck and number 5, please. All right, and Brian Pickney.
I'm here, Your Honor. That's
Yes.
my client, Judge. I'm just trying to get into a breakout room with them. I'm back.
All right, I'm gonna send, if you'll go back to breakout room number 9, and Mr. Pickney, I'm gonna send you to number 9.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
And
and
Mr. Miranda, you are not going to a breakout room yet. Your attorney is with the state.
Judge,
Rebecca?
I sent you the PSI, so I don't know if you can try sending it to Mr. Woodward.
Okay. Yes, I've received it.
Judge, I sent it already, so either our emails aren't working or his isn't if he hasn't gotten it.
Judge, I have it. I'm reviewing it right now.
All right, thank you.
Thanks,
All right.
Jordan.
Any other attorney that's ready? All right, Zoom user, who is your client?
Good morning, Judge. I apologize. My name is Travis Kettner. I represent Isaiah Alcaraz, and I think I got my Zoom ID changed properly.
Yes.
So yes, I do represent Mr. Alcaraz, and I was going to talk to the prosecutor. We have a plea of offer, and I'm going to recommend to my client that he accept it. So I just was going to talk to the prosecutor briefly and see about organizing that, I guess.
All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 3. It's family violence. If someone could meet Mr. Kettner in breakout room number 3, please.